start, Jaileka.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Vileka, our guide Mamta ma'am. My teammates are Dharani, Supriya, Deepthi. Our project is on location-based smart attendance tracking system using artificial intelligence. Coming to the abstract, over the years process, the manual attendance tracking system has been carried out only by the biometric scanner devices. So it consumes time wasting and it provides erroneous results. So we have proposed a smart location based attendance tracking system which is implemented only on the Android mobile application. It reduces the time consuming and it reduces erroneous results and it reduces additional biometric scanner devices. The location of a organization has a specific location. The location is detected by the GPS using the smartphone. Each employee's location determined by the GPS which is in the smartphone. Coming to the introduction, we have proposed a location-based smart attendance tracking system. In this, we have a remote server which in the remote server the database is all located in the remote server. So to communicate with the remote server, the location-based tracking system has a concept of web server. It is implemented on Android mobile for uh, and for connecting a database to the remote server, we have to provide some internet connectivity, Wi-Fi, 3G, etc. And our process does not require any peripheral devices or any other scanner devices. Only we have to use only one smartphone. Any employee crossing the area border with a smartphone, automatically we can detect the location using GPS in the Android mobile smartphone. Coming to a system architecture, in the system architecture, we have employee and employer. First, employee will interact with the mobile app. The mobile app sends a API call for face recognition to the web app. After the confirmation of the web app, the Firebase database sends a location and information to the mobile app. After that, the mobile app marks the attendance in the database. After marking the attendance, the Firebase database after marking the attendance, the web app sends the location, employee details and schedules to the Fire database. After sending these, the Firebase database should send the attendance or location information of an employee to the web app. All this after the completion of all this, the employer only have to update, delete, and or add information to the web app. My teammate continue the next process.
The domain of our project is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, this emphasizes the creation with the machines. It actually acts like humans only. It does all the works which human do. It reduces the effect of our humans, and this is actually the trending field nowadays. It performs many tasks which are performed by humans, and as well as the machine work. It performs tasks such as identifying patterns. It is used in problem solving and planning and reasoning. And next is existing system. uh, in the existing system, we have two systems. One is manual system and another is biometric system. In the manual system, we use sheets or papers and even books for marking the attendance. Firstly, the attendance is marked by the employee, and the manager can check out the attendance in the uh, book we have which we have marked the attendance. And next is the biometric system. In the biometric system, we have some techniques. We use our fingerprint for marking the attendance. This provides our information. It it calculates our leaving and entering time. by a finger identification. The disadvantages are of this existing system we have is it is a very time consuming process for the manual system, and if we lost our sheets, then we cannot find our attendance in which we have written in the book. So this is the main disadvantage. And for the biometric system, it is very costly. We need an external heterogeneous device for attendance, for marking the attendance. So we're proposing another system, that is location based smart attendance tracking system. Firstly, for this system we need to install our apk files in the Android devices. After installing the apk files, you need to enter our employee details in the app, and even save the internet protocol address, which is same to the office address. This whole system accurately runs if both are in the same internet only. In this we can the attendance calculated by the login and logout time, and it gives us exactly the correct position. So and next are the advantages.
Advantages: to reduce the need of pen and paper based manual attendance tracking system, and to reduce errors of manual system, conserve optimal amount of time. Modules: the first module is dataset collection. In this dataset collection, we collect the employee details and schedules. Second, connecting Firebase. In connecting Firebase is connected to both mobile and web application. Third one is creating modules in mobile app. In this stage, we create modules in mobile app. There are two modules: schedule module with Google Maps and attendance module face biometric. And fourth one is creating modules in web app. In this creating modules in web app, we create modules in web app. Schedule module, employee details and monthly attendance module, face recognition module. Face recognition algorithm, one of the biometric recognition technology based on processing information of facial features and mainly used to automatically detect and track face, then process each face images in still images and video streams that captured by webcams and cameras and identify users identity. Next, system specifications.
Have software specifications and hardware specifications. Coming to software specification, operating system. For mobiles, we need Android and iOS, and for computers, we need Windows or Mac. And coming to framework, we are using Flask and Flutter. And database we are using here is Firebase database. Coming to hardware specifications, we can use Android phone or iPhones, and for Android phones, we should check whether it is having minimum of 2 GB RAM, and also OS with 6.0.1 or higher, and also it should contain front facing camera. For iPhones, there should be minimum of 2 GB RAM with iOS at or higher, and it also should contains front facing camera. For and also we should have PC with a processor Intel i3 or higher and RAM 2 GB. The main hardware specification is internet connectivity. We should connect to higher internet. Next, use case diagram. In use case diagram, we have two persons, employee and an employer. Employee work Employee should register and log into the app. Next, they should give attendance with face recognition and check schedules. Employer will also register and log in, then act schedules, check attendance, and view monthly attendance report. This is use case diagram. And next, activity diagram. This is activity diagram for employee. First, you have to log in. and also perform authentication. Authentication is nothing but while logging in, we have to give our all passwords. If it is invalid, then again it shows login. If authentication is success and it is valid, then we have to view our schedules, and also we should check in attendance with face biometric. After completion of this process, we have to check out attendance with face biometric, and we have to log out from our app. Next, activity diagram for employer. Employer should log in same as employee. He has to perform some authentications, and it is invalid, it shows to login. If it is valid, then he has to check attendance, act schedules, view monthly attendance report. After that, he have to log out. Next, conclusion. Coming to conclusion, in our project, we have we have discussed about the location-based smart attendance tracking system using GPS. So by using this apps, by using this app, we have no problem that whether the employee is working in our location or not. It removes the problem of not knowing whether the employee is working according to the given schedules or not. Thank you.